how to change the Relumino Outline Thickness on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Vision Enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on Relumino Outline. Tap on the left-hand side panel. At the top here, if you want to turn it on, tap on the toggle button to turn on Relumino Outline. Here to change the outline thickness, we can drag on the slider bar here to increase or decrease the outline thickness. Okay, so that's how you can change the outline thickness. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.